Hey guys, have you ever dreamed of your phone camera being able to fly? Yes, you heard that right. That dream we only saw in sci-fi movies is about to become a reality. Today, we're talking about a smartphone that has completely shaken up the entire tech world with its leaked images. This isn't just any ordinary phone, this is Samsung's futuristic flying drone camera phone. If you're wondering how this is even possible, then you have to stick around until the end of this video, because not only will the phone camera blow your mind, but your brain might just take off too. We're going to tell you everything about its mind-blowing features, price, and launch date. So without wasting another second, let's dive right in. Features of the Samsung drone phone. Display. This phone's screen is so incredible, everything will feel real. It's rumored to have a massive 6.95-inch dynamic LTPO OLED display. Plus, a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate, meaning gaming and scrolling will be as smooth as butter. And on top of that, it's protected by Gorilla Glass armor, and it hides an in-display fingerprint sensor. Perfect security and perfect style. Camera setup. Now, let's get to the most explosive feature of this phone, its flying drone camera. Just imagine, a tiny 200-megapixel drone detaches from your phone, takes to the skies, and captures stunning videos and photos for you from a bird's-eye view. It sounds like something straight out of a James Bond gadget. Besides this, the phone itself has a powerful triple camera setup on the rear, with the primary camera rumored to be a whopping 108 megapixels. All in all, this phone is like a mini photography studio. Performance. Powering this superphone is Qualcomm's most powerful chip yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This chipset won't just easily handle the heaviest games and apps, but it will also control that flying drone camera without any lag. And all of this will run on the latest Android 16. It's the perfect combination of speed and power. Battery backup. All these amazing features need a beast of a battery to back them up. And Samsung has supposedly packed in a monstrous 10,000 mAh battery. This will not only easily get you through a full day of heavy use, but will also have no problem powering the drone. And when the battery does get low, 150-watt fast charging will zap it back to full power in the blink of an eye. It also features wireless charging and reverse charging, so you can power up other devices too. Price and launch date. Alright, guys, now for the most important part, what will this magical phone cost? If the leaks are to be believed, this futuristic technology could come with a price tag of around $2,000. Yes, that's a hefty price, but the features you're getting might just justify it. Now, there's no official confirmation from Samsung yet, but the speculation is that this phone could launch globally by the end of next year. Guys, this phone isn't just a gadget, it's a revolution in the world of technology.